Okay, so here's my problem with the final step. Doesn't matter what if I have any of these completed or not. I tried many times, but I can't get this last part to just magically come together. What I have is everything complete except the four corners, and then they're all in the right orientation. Not the right orientation, just they're in the right places. I have to fix the orientation, and that's where everything starts screwing up. So let me show you how it. Okay, this one seems like it's in the right orientation. So I bring it over to the next guy, bring this guy's orientation back up, and okay, now this guy's up, bring it, slide to the next guy, and yeah. And that guy's done. Next guy. And I get this every time. This side is not messed up. So yeah, I understand this is my second video. Just I couldn't see that the sound wasn't working. So maybe you could help me out. Thanks.